Precision is not an option. It's the rule. More than 500 components designed for absolute 3D perfection. Every gap, every single part, 0.01 millimeters tolerance. This is the McLaren MP4 the most technically accurate MP4 digital reconstruction ever made, a world-exclusive 500-piece engineering project, unmatched precision, tight tolerances, high-end modeling, one of a kind. Check the link in description. Follow for more engineering. This isn't just a 3D model. It's a 500-piece engineering puzzle. Every part was high-end modeled, considering assembly constraints and ultra-high poly 3D printing. I've pushed the boundaries of digital precision. We're talking about minimal tolerances. When it comes to Senna's legacy, where good enough doesn't even scratch the surface, the challenge was to balance the iconic aesthetics of the MP4 with the technical reality of a physical build. Every part you see here has a purpose. It's a tribute built on precision. If you value this level of accuracy and want to support my work, join our community on Patreon. You'll get exclusive access to my project files, totaling 26.9 gigabytes, technical information, and updates on what's to come. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more 3D engineering content. Ayrton Senna once said, "I have no idols. I admire work, dedication, and competence." This project is my dedication to that spirit. See you in the next lab. Thanks for watching.